Okay, hi everyone. I'm Brian Young. Welcome to brianyoung.com. Me and my travelers friends. Okay, so today I have a special guest. How special? Because look at them. They are couples. Okay, they are couples. Okay, let's introduce yourself first. A handsome guy.
I don't need
Okay,
this.
don't-
That's okay. My name is Irad.
Louder.
My name is Irad. I'm from Russia. My own city is Ufa. It's a republic of Bashkortostan, one of republic that's included Russia. In generally, Russia included like 78 republics, and all these republics, it's different republics with different languages, different cultures, different everything. And my republic is Republic Bashkortostan. It's in general it's Muslim republics, but I don't Muslim. I don't have a religion. It's not my. Okay, and we're traveling with Anastasia. It's Anastasia. She's.
Maybe you want to introduce a bit yourself first.
Okay.
You
She
can
can do.
just-
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Short
I'm Anastasia. I'm from Russia too. I'm from Yekaterinburg. And welcome to Russia.
Yes, okay, welcome to Russia. Okay, like, actually I have a question. I want to ask you.
Okay.
And, okay, since you are here right now in Malaysia, right?
Yep.
I mean, it's like, what brought you here? It means, what brought you here in your travel journey? What brought you here?
We come to Malaysia like 20 days ago. Yes, we arrived to Malaysia from Thailand, and I think Malaysia it's a too hot country. And, now rain season. You can look behind us. Now rain and when we stay in Thailand, rain. Thailand's without rain. It's a very good time, and now we already visited in Malaysia Penang Island, city Ipoh, city Kuala Lumpur, and now we're here.
You are
And
here.
about Malaysia, Malaysia have cheapest food, street food. It's really cheap food, but big price for sweet things. For example, for chocolate. For example, in Russia, chocolate price like 2 times lower. It's I don't know why this situation happened in Malaysia. I don't know what's happening.
Okay, so since I know you're traveling to Thailand, Ipoh and other states, right? So why I know you like Thailand, right? One of
Yeah.
the places you like Thailand. Okay, I think Thailand is quite amazing place, right? And then everything is very cheap.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Yeah. I have one more question I want to ask you first. Actually, how you make money while you're traveling? I think that's how can you survive and keep traveling for different country.
Okay. First, what I can tell you, it's first our work in this trip. It's work in South Korea. Many people ask me about this work, and it's a very good work, but it's illegal work for Russian citizens.
Oh.
No.
It's okay, no problem.
But it's very good money, and I met in South Korea many people from all world. For example, from Argentina, from England, from Russia, from Poland, and all these guys working in South Korea because salary really good, and it's I recommend to
South Korea.
yes
Yeah, actually you guys can consider South Korea.
yes, it's a very good
They
place
really
to
can
work.
pay a really good payment, right?
Yes, like 100 per day, $100 per day you can make.
That means what do you do in South Korea?
It's a simple work, for example, construction buildings or something, but it's
Okay.
not very difficult work. It's just normal, sometimes easy work.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, I think Malaysian people also very curious about Russian country. Okay, what about you just recommended some places which is you think really best or you shouldn't miss in Russian?
No,
What you will recommend?
exactly. Very good place in Russia to visit. To visiting for foreigners. It's Lake Baikal. It's a first. I recommend to visit this place. All people, not just foreigners. For Russian citizens too. So many Russian citizens don't visit Baikal, and I don't know why. And second place, it's Altai Mountains. It's these two places. It's a place with really good wild nature, with cosmic energy. I don't know how to explain this because you need to feel this. It's a fantastic place, and when you stay in this place, you feel yourself like freedom. You feel freedom, yes.
Freedom.
Yes, and it's a really good place. And don't visit Moscow, don't visit St. Petersburg. It's a blah blah blah. No.
Yeah. What is in my mind? I know it's Moscow and St.
Petersburg.
Yeah, that's what I know.
Oh.
Okay. So at least now you guys have some ideas. When you want to decide plan to Russian, at least you have some idea where you want to go. Okay, so before you go to Russian, of course, what you need to know, of course, is the Russian language. Come on, am I right? Russian language is very important, you know. So, beside of me, have one pretty lady. She is a Russian, not teacher, but tonight she can become our Russian teacher. Okay, I think maybe we can learn something like really basic one. Basic, okay, let's say I go to Russian country, maybe I want to know some friend. Maybe I want to say like, hey, hello my friend, how are you?
Привет, мои друзья. Как дела? Привет. Hello. It's привет.
Okay.
Привет. Как дела? Hello. How are you? Как дела?
Kajila.
Как
Yes,
дела?
cocktail.
It's like the Japanese kawachi.
No. It's a two words. Like first it's a kak, how, dela.
Okay, maybe I try one more. Is привет.
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 Привет, здорово,
Oh no.
как сам. Many variations of.
No, I
hi.
think we just
Generally-
choose one. Just choose one.
Привет.
Follow your one. Привет. Then my friend.
Привет, друзья. Друзья, friend.
Друзья.
Friend. Друзья.
Друзья. Okay. Привет, друзья.
Как дела? Как дела?
Kajila.
Как дела?
Kajila.
Дела.
Dila. Kajila. Okay, you know right? Okay. What about we choose one more? What is the more important? Maybe thank you.
Спасибо.
Response.
Спасибо.
Not despacito. Spasibo. Spasibo.
I thought like despacito.
Despacito.
Спасибо.
But spiciba.
Спасибо.
Spasibo.
Spiciba.
Spasibo.
Okay, spiciba. That means thank you. Spiciba. Thank you.
Yeah.
Maybe we can choose two more. Like what more often to use? Goodbye.
Пока.
Baka.
Пока.
Hey, you know Japanese also called baka. By the way.
До свидания.
No.
До свидания. Пока means до свидания. Goodbye. It's до свидания. Goodbye. До it's the first word. Second свидание. До свидания.
Do
Свидание.
свидания.
Yes.
Do свидания.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Do свидания. Goodbye. That's how we say the thank you, right?
До свидания it's a goodbye.
Oh, okay. Goodbye.
Thank you. Спасибо.
Thank you,
Спасибо.
spasiba.
Yes.
Thank you, spasiba. Okay, so maybe we just learn these few language first because I'm also confused already. So thank you, is it?
До свидания.
Do свидания.
До свидания.
Okay.
До свидания.
Okay, never mind. So of course I hope you guys can learn from the basic first because I also a little bit confused. But never mind, at least tonight my teacher just beside of me so I can ask them anytime. If let's say you guys want to know more about Russian, language or Russian country, please leave your comment in below for my next video. Okay, so I hope can see you guys again. Bye bye. How to say bye bye again? Bye
До
bye.
свидания.
That's me, bye. Okay, despacito.
This.